Most people cannot gauge how both yams and sweet potatoes differ from each other in taste and nutrition. In today's video, you'll discover why they are different, and we'll also cover the difference between them and white potatoes, a totally different family of plants. Some like to call them yams, while others call them sweet potatoes. What's the difference and how do they differ from our regular white potatoes? You may have noticed sweet potatoes are either orange or reddish in color. They are root vegetables found at any grocery store. They belong to the morning glory family, and are not in any way related to either white potatoes or yams. You can find sweet potatoes in plenty in South and Central America. Sweet potatoes have smooth skin and usually have tapered ends. They can be yellow, tan, purple, orange, or red. The inside flesh can be reddish-orange, orange, purple, or white. Sweet potatoes also turn sweeter and softer when cooked than either regular white potatoes or yams. Yams are also a tuber vegetable. However, they come from a completely different family and are actually part of the lily family. Yams originated in Africa and Asia, and there are about 600 different varieties of yams. Yams are much larger in size when you compare them to sweet potatoes. Some can grow up to 5 feet or 1.5 meters. Yams are cylindrical shaped and have rough skin like the bark of a tree, which is difficult to peel. The inside flesh can be purple, white, pink, or yellow. Yams are not smooth or sweet like sweet potatoes. They taste like starch and are drier than sweet potatoes. You may not find yams at a local grocery store and are more likely sold in an ethnic food store or at an international food market. White potatoes are very common and originated from the Solanaceae family, the same source from where you get your tomatoes, eggplant, and peppers. While there are literally thousands of different types of potatoes in the world, also called nightshade vegetables, you'll find them classified into the red, russet, yellow or yolk and gold, purple, and white potato categories in USA and Europe. So you see, yams, sweet potatoes, and the regular white potatoes are quite different from each other and are not related. You'll find sweet potatoes spread all over, as people like to have them baked, roasted, or mashed, a great alternative for regular mashed potatoes and French fries. Sweet potatoes are also pureed and often used in dessert and soup recipes. Your Thanksgiving table is incomplete without a sweet potato casserole with marshmallows and sweet potato pie. We'll cover these recipes in the following videos, as these are must-try recipes when you're trying to reap the nutrient benefits from sweet potato and turmeric. A sweet potato soup or curry fights inflammation and is packed with antioxidants. Do subscribe to our channel for more of these fresh, healthy, and yummy recipes. Sweet potatoes contain large quantities of beta-carotene that produces vitamin A in our bodies, especially when you have them with butter. They provide around 35 to 40% of vitamin C that you need every day, as well as the required potassium, manganese, vitamin B6, copper, magnesium, niacin, and thiamine. Sweet potatoes help your body become more sensitive to insulin and help stabilize blood sugar. In fact, an Austrian study revealed that a group of diabetics who were put on a sweet potato diet showed lower blood sugar levels than the control group at the end of the study. This was possible because of the high amounts of antioxidants that sweet potatoes contain, and also because of their high fiber content. Colorful sweet potatoes are preferred, as they contain more antioxidants, which means they help fight chronic diseases including cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Sweet potatoes also help to improve memory, boost brain function, and prevent brain oxidative damage. Since they contain around 400% of what creates vitamin A, your immune system, skin, and vision remain nourished. Yams, on the other hand, are high in calories, fiber, and carbohydrates. They are also rich in vitamin C, vitamin B6, manganese, and potassium. Yams have more manganese and potassium, which are vital minerals required to boost your metabolism, nourish bones and nerves, and improve heart function. A derivative of yam contains an ingredient that helps boost progesterone and other hormones in a woman's body. Yam extract also seems to cure some of the unpleasant symptoms of menopause and PMS. The white potato is rich in fiber, healthy minerals, and carbohydrates. It has nutrients that you won't find in plenty in either yams or sweet potatoes, including vitamin B6, vitamin C, folate, manganese, and potassium. When it comes to the glycemic index and blood sugar, yams have the lowest glycemic index at 50, while sweet potatoes have a medium to high glycemic index of around 60, and white potatoes have a high 75 glycemic index. In other words, white potatoes are likely to induce a sharper spike in blood sugar than either yams or sweet potatoes, which is why diabetics can have sweet potatoes for their high fiber and low sugar content. Which is the best? Sweet potatoes have an edge over yams and the regular white potatoes. However, you can include all three in your diet when you don't have carbohydrate restrictions. Eventually, how you prepare the dish is more important. For example, French fries aren't healthy when you compare them to baked potatoes with some grass-fed butter on them,